Hello, everyone, and welcome to the next episode of As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. So, today, Chitkala, we will continue our discussion of the effect of thoughts on health and body.
Yes, I guess you should start with your experience because you are a doctor and thoughts and health delve more into it.
Yes, first of all, I was really quite surprised when James mentioned that change in diet will not help a man who will not change his thoughts. And when thoughts are
Hmm.
pure, man no longer desires impure food.
Hmm.
I think
True.
this is very true.
I think here, like he also wants to say this that like it will not maybe a person who is doing diet maybe to like to shred some weight and doing so he will not change if he is thinking of himself as a foodie or maybe like on those lines. So maybe he will uh, cut down some weight for like a brief period of time, but again he will go back to what he was thinking and what is his thinking. So I think that is the crux here. That is what I felt when while
Yeah.
reading. What do you think?
Yes, many people complain, right? Like they are doing everything right. They are taking the diet and they are working out very consistently and regularly. So, where is the lack? I think maybe they should, think in terms of thoughts. Like, are they really having those pure thoughts? Or, कभी कभार क्या होता है ना, जैसे
Hmm.
मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर फ्रॉम वेयर आई रेड इट और हर्ड इट दैट इफ यू आर जैसे फास्टिंग करते हैं, if you are constantly thinking about food, then there is
Hmm.
no importance of that fasting also. It's not
True,
giving those
very true.
you yeah, what
Hmm.
you want to attract or what you are doing it for. But if you are really doing it from the bottom of your heart without
Hmm.
thinking कि चलो एक दिन तो हम रख लेते कोई बात नहीं, so its spiritual vibrations
Hmm.
then comes into life. So in on the similar basis, I
Hmm.
think this
True.
works.
Yes, very true.
And I've learned one thing. I do apply it a lot many times, especially on my vertigo patients whose lifestyle is very bad. I try
Hmm.
to tell them about good eating habits and good exercising habits they
Hmm.
should inculcate into their life, even into their busy life, how they could, adjust these things into their busy life rather than just telling कि चलो तुम्हें exercise करनी है,
Hmm.
तुम्हें अच्छा खाना है. I bit of give them a guidance
Hmm.
regarding like how they can manage these all things when it comes to their own lifestyle or their working schedule. I think which is very important and every doctor should talk
Hmm.
about lifestyle to their patients. What about you? How do you include all these into your
Yes,
patients?
that's true.
So, as I work with neurodivergent children, their parents are already stressed. So, like, I try to, like, whenever I'm conducting support group meetings, I try to start with exercises only, like 2 minutes of exercise, quick exercise. And then few people who see the effect for themselves, then they make such changes. But ultimately, I think it all boils down to the personal journey, like
Yes.
what we want to think and what we want to do. This is what I feel.
Yes. I loved your idea that you start your session with exercise only, even if it's for
Mm.
2 minutes or
Yeah,
something like that.
yeah.
So I just remembered one example while I was reading this sentence. So I would like to read that sentence first and tell what happened with me. So the sentence goes, think well of all, be cheerful with all, to patiently learn to find good in all. Somehow I learned this, and some message popped in one of my friends' groups, and I just picked up the phone. There was a topic related to somebody, some XYZ person. And I just remembered an incident about that person, and I thought of starting gossiping about that person. But immediately I remembered this line which I read, and I just kept the phone aside. And
Oh,
the yeah, I didn't even encourage. I mean, there was normal chatting going on about that XYZ person, but I just thought that I'll add some gossip. But instantly I kept my phone aside, and it's like, no, I have to patiently learn to find good in all.
yes. Actually, it's a really good thought, and like how well you applied it in your
Yeah,
life. I guess this is what makes you know reading a very deeper experience, because
yes,
the book is not limited to how many pages I read, but then it comes to mm, yeah, I read this and it resonated with me, and now it is part of me. Wow, so nice.
या आई मीन क्या फ़ायदा ना अगर हम ये सारी बातें इंक्लूड नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम जस्ट
Hmm.
पढ़े जा रहे हैं बिकॉज़ देयर आर सो मेनी रीडर्स हू आर ऐसे फिनिश कर देते हैं। इवन सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स कि अरे भाई मैंने तो वो 1 दिन में, 2 दिन में फिनिश कर दी। बट व्हेन इट comes to applying into their life, do they really apply it into their life this quickly is the big
Hmm.
question mark I feel.
Hmm. That's true, and एक्चुअली उसकी वजह से सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स तो मैं बहुत स्लो स्लो जाती हूँ, ऐसे हो जाता है नहीं।
Yes.
कभी कभी हम नोट्स निकालते रह जाते हैं, फिर कभी कभी सोचते रह जाते हैं, फिर कभी कभी वो अप्लाई करने में तो
और हमेशा मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता है कि जो हमने पढ़ा वो 1 दिन में अप्लाई हो जाता है। वी कैन टेक वीक्स
नहीं,
एंड मंथ्स टू अप्लाई इट टू आवरसेल्व्स।
कभी कभी रेजिस्टेंस भी होता है ना खुद से, लाइक
यस,
आई I understand that what I am reading is right for me, but then applying it, then there are so many walls to be broken.
यस, यस, टोटली। So, you remember in the last episode I've mentioned that आधी किताब खत्म हो गई है बट अभी तक कुछ बात ही नहीं हुई है किसी कि कैसे वर्क करना है एंड
Yes, yes.
अराउंड
एक्चुअली मुझे भी वैसा लगा कि मतलब यस वी अंडरस्टूड दैट थॉट्स आर एवरीथिंग, बट उसका अभी लाइक प्रैक्टिकल गाइड कहाँ है ऐसा मुझे भी लगा थोड़ा। पर फिर मैंने सोचा कि ये बुक बहुत पहले लिखी हुई है, लाइक आई गेस इन 1912 और समथिंग, सो
या
आई गेस
या
at that time this concept itself was very new in Western world, of course. But like in Western world, it was, I guess, very new, and that's why he was like kind of highlighting it again and again in this book. This
यस
is what I
राइट
आपको like what did you think?
या आई वाज लाइक कि कुछ तो दे दो हिंट कि हम कैसे काम करें इस थॉट्स पे बट व्हेन
Yes.
यू सेड दैट या दिस वाज रिटन सो लॉन्ग बैक सो मैंने लाइक एक ऑथर के पर्सपेक्टिव से भी उसको देखने की कोशिश की या ही इज ट्राइंग टू टेल द वर्ल्ड अ न्यू concept. Maybe today we
Mm,
are aware of it, but
mm,
at some point it was a totally new concept.
true. And maybe उसकी वजह से, and like one thing he has mentioned that it's like deep self introspection. With that, you will be able to do it. But again, he has not like given a kind of recipe like
Yeah.
how to do that. But
Yes.
then that one thing he has hinted.
और थोड़ा सा लाइक अराउंड पेज 63 मुझे ऐसा लगा कि थोड़ा सा गाइडेंस सा मिला है कि लाइक जैसे फिजिकली वीक अगर पर्सन होता है एंड देन
Hmm.
अगर strong he has to become strong, then he has to carefully and patiently train for it. In the same way, if you have weak thoughts, so you
Hmm.
need to exercise your brain in the right thinking.
Correct.
So like it's a process we need to work upon consciously, patiently and persistently.
Hmm. It's like mental gym भी जाना ही पड़ेगा. Like
हाँ.
I guess now, like in today's world, we have all those kind of tools to do this. Like how we go to gym to train our muscles. So
Yeah.
अभी हमारे पास है journals हैं कि journal लिखो फिर
Hmm.
आर्ट करो एक्सप्रेसिव आर्ट थेरेपी और काफी सारी चीजें थेरेपी है like
Yes.
people go into therapy to do this only. So it is that yes वो सब मतलब वो सब tools अभी है हमारे पास काफी अवेलेबल है अभी.
Yeah, yeah. अब जर्नलिंग से मुझे बस एक बात याद आई. आई मीन आई डोंट नो कि मुझे ऐसा क्लिक हुआ कि देयर आर टू लाइक दो टाइप से कर सकते हैं कि यू कैन इमीडिएटली राइट वॉट एवर हैपेंड एंड यू फेल्ट what emotions you went through, otherwise jot it down in the night, yeah, something like that, after the day is finished and whatever happened throughout the day. So what do you think कि इन दोनों में से कौन सा ज्यादा impactful होता है कि the immediate journaling वाला part या you wait to the end of the day and jot it down?
I feel like practically end of the day is better like
Yeah.
because sometimes we are in the middle of traffic and like we can be anywhere.
Yes.
So वो एक है and I guess like it is like that man search for meaning में है ना कि वो ब्रेड कब खाना है तुरंत खाना है पूरा या फिर टुकड़ों में
Yeah.
खाना है वैसा ही है कि like if we have a thought like we want to act like right away on it or we want to give it a thought like ponder upon it and then uh,
Yes.
like then think about it or let it mature basically.
Yeah.
तो
Actually,
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता
yeah, I mean, I think to begin with, जैसे कि
है.
at the end of the day कई बार सारी चीजें याद नहीं रहती. To begin with, only for to begin with, I'm talking about. You can jot it down at the same time. I know at many times it's not possible, but once, मतलब I want कि habit inculcate हो जाए कि इस
हाँ
emotion को
हाँ
मुझे process करना है.
correct
And
correct so like
once
we'll
you are,
keep it in
yeah,
mind.
yeah. So once we are used into that, like used to that habit, then we can, just कि ठीक है मुझे रात को जाके इस बारे में will write it down
हाँ
ऐसे, will
yes yes
जो भी है will
this is a
process it.
great
Yeah.
really good way. And
Yes.
like yeah so what do you think like so how do you do like you jot it down and then like you expand on it at the end of the
Yeah,
day.
yeah. Yes, I mean, I'm trying really hard to get back to my journaling habit, but once in a blue moon, I do journaling. So, मैं whenever some
And
emotions
do you
बहुत
think that
sorry,
yeah sorry
sorry,
to so I was saying do you think like uh, this happens with me like do you think like you write only when you are little low or on like you are little feeling sad about it something like do you write only then or you write when you are happy also.
yes. So first, when I started journaling, I used to write it every day, but with time, with adjusting schedule and all that, I somehow lost that habit of mine. And when things get too much, that time I write. I know this is not a good habit, but whenever such things happen, I make sure that जब इमोशंस बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, जब प्रोसेस करने वाली चीज़ें जब बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है, आई ऑब्वियसली राइट ऑन दोज डेज, बट आई मेक श्योर इवन इफ आई एम राइटिंग ऑन दोज डेज, I make sure that I think of 2 to 3 things that on that day, whatever happened, that I should be grateful for. मतलब मेरा जर्नल पूरा नेगेटिव चीजों से नहीं भरा होना चाहिए. आई शुड
वाह
लुक उस डे को एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड से भी. सो आई मेक श्योर कि एक दो चीजें मैं लिख दूं कि आज हुई जिसके लिए मैं ग्रेटफुल.
करेक्ट करेक्ट हाँ
आई
सो
मीन दोज थिंग्स शुडंट बी दैट बिग ऑल्सो. आई मीन कई बार क्या होता है ना, रोड क्रॉस करते हुए यार बच गए, नहीं तो वो गाड़ी.
जिंदा हूँ यार काफी है.
Yeah, so even grateful for being alive.
Yeah, true. And
What about you?
yes, that is right. Then you get a more balanced view about your day.
Yes, yes. What about
Yeah.
you?
So, like I noticed this pattern that I usually write when I am little sad and like when things are not going well or
Yes.
so then like when I flip through earlier pages I used to feel कि अरे बाप रे सब रोना धोना ही है इसमें. But then, like you said that, but later on, I started doing like this gratitude journal. So there, I used to just write about things I'm grateful for. So I was not um, like writing any emotions other like other than
Okay, okay.
yes,
So
and
coming back to our health and
yes,
body
yes,
thoughts, yeah.
and one chapter here in this book, I found that like James says that there is no such thing as fate. Like he had said, like there is no such thing as fate or destiny. And like then he again emphasizes on that how your thoughts are more important. But then, what did you think about it?
Uh, so I had a very big query. So I really had many questions when this part was there in the book, when I read that particular part. And I really wanted to discuss it with you and our listeners. So I think we should discuss this in our next episode so that, it will be
Okay.
a good, proper discussion.
Yes, yes. Sure. Okay.
Yeah. So I think
Let's
the
meet.
viewers should also stay on hold to wait for our next episode, which will be
Yes,
really deep discussion.
yes. What a cliffhanger.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. See you in
Okay.
the next episode.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye.